There's no debating that we need sleep. It's crucial for our mental and physical health, quality of life, and overall safety, according to the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute. Proper sleep not only leaves you feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day, it improves learning, helps the heart and blood vessels repair themselves, promotes a healthy balance of hunger hormones, and aids the immune system. For most people, 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night is sufficient, though your age, activity level, and health can shift that target in either direction, according to the Sleep Foundation. And while sleep deprivation is a widespread problem considering all the aforementioned health functions of sleep, sleeping too much can be cause for concern as well. The Sleep Foundation defines oversleeping as sleeping more than 9 hours in a 24-hour period. If you're just waking up late to catch up on your sleep, that's called recovery sleep. But when you're doing that habitually and you're sleeping more than 8 or 9 hours every day, that would be oversleeping. Oversleeping typically indicates something else is going on, such as an underlying sleep disorder or another medical condition. Oversleeping is more of a symptom than a diagnosis. The most common causes we look at when someone says they're sleeping more than 9 hours a night is if it's a medication effect or a medical, psychiatric, or neurological disorder. If those aren't the reason, it could be a sleep disorder. According to the Sleep Foundation and Johns Hopkins Medicine, oversleeping most often occurs with the following underlying health conditions: obesity, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, restless leg syndrome, bruxism, grinding teeth or clenching, chronic pain, sleep disorder such as sleep apnea, insomnia, or narcolepsy, hypothyroidism, depression or anxiety. How common is oversleeping? According to research published in Annals of Neurology, 8.4% of nearly 20,000 participants reported oversleeping. People with a mood disorder were 3 to 12 times more likely to oversleep and 2 to 4 times more likely to report a poor quality of life compared with those who slept less. If you don't feel refreshed when you wake up after sawing logs for sufficient hours, there could be a problem. Oversleeping is generally accompanied by symptoms of tiredness during the day, including grogginess, headache, decreased energy, and mood changes. Why oversleeping is risky. While consistently getting less than the recommended amount of sleep has been associated with multiple adverse health outcomes, sleeping more than 9 hours per night regularly may also be detrimental. Oversleeping can lead to increased fatigue and low energy, decrease in immune function, changes in stress response, increase in risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. What to do if you suspect you've been oversleeping? Avoid the snooze button. Wake up at the same time every day, weekends included. Embracing natural light when you wake up and avoiding it close to bedtime. If you still find yourself oversleeping regularly after making these changes, schedule a visit with your primary care physician.